Hello guys, welcome. I'm back with another YouTube channel or YouTube videos that I could share with you to join Squid Game Infinity Roleplay Season 2. It's awesome because so many times the players are infinitic and exhaustic, and if you play this it would be a pleasure to invite you and enjoying you to play these games. Before we start this game, I'll be I will be teaming as a guard of the Squid Game Infinity Roleplay Season 2. Okay, let's wait. Okay, alright. Let's rotate this and let's play. And remember, I have a exploit. I don't use exploit when using new members or new games. So what do I do with this game? Oh, you can. Oh, I can move it. Well, let's see. Oh, we can escape. Oh no, the front man. Okay, let's go. I'll give this a rate of 8 of 8 out of 10 because I played this since 2 days ago, and I love this. It's because they have guns for free, and they want to kill the police and an static coast guard and SWAT. It will be hard to game this in on phone. I guarantee you to use this on on PC or laptop. Oh, what the what the hell happened? I slept. I think. I was joking. It's okay. Oh, need a 400. Oh, excuse me. Don't ignore that Delta. I don't use Delta. Oh, so it's already 9:39 p.m. So we don't have school. We'll be we will be we will be back on Sunday or Monday. Do you two are on practice or you have such a static um wait, let me focus. Okay, I'm back and I'ma leave this game because it I don't know. I think is this a bug or no. So we will play this as some. If you want to add me, here's my username agent 435 or that means a day. Yeah, that's my nickname and make sure to like and subscribe for part 2 at that for part 2 tomorrow, and I will upload one by one. After this game, I'll be using the Squid Game X and the Impossible Bridge and Green Light games. So if you want to watch me, I'm gonna play NASCAR Heat Mobile to ensure our new updates from any games. So look at these games. It's pretty peaceful and no guards. Well, let's see. Let's open. Don't worry, I am a good. And don't worry, I have a skill. Oh shit. No, what the hell happened here? I think someone is being killed. Nah, okay. Oh, this is our the green red, right? I'm only testing in the poll. Okay. Oh, let's go with the red light, green light. No, bro. Come on. Just let us start the game. Before we start, I'm actually not good playing with skid games. I only use exploit to cheat on any squid game to my insurance winning. And my apologies to say that, and I will continue this game and until I'm going to play this. Ooh, let's start. Lisa Kokoma. Okay, welcome to the green light, red light. The rules are simple. Get to the finish line before the time limits. Moves during the green light, red light. Stop during moving red light imaginary. Will follow Failure to follow the rules will result elimination. Okay. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. Oh, I played this before. Oh, that's bad, man. Oh, sheesh. I'm good at, but not at all. Okay. I think I might lose. Come on. I don't have much time. Oh, sheesh. I finished. Hey guys, make sure to leave a comments what do you think with this game and insurance with this game. And this game I love it because it's oh no lol elmao. Let's go into the other side. Is this the other side or no? Oh sheesh, I did it. Okay, next game. Hey, let's go to the tug of war. Oh sheesh, they were playing tug of war. They were playing tug of war, man. I will go to other side to help the other guy. Don't worry guys, I'm helpful. So we are doing this to complete the missions and wanting to help this guy from the top. Oh, we are exactly at 3. Oh no. Yep, there are 3 and we are 3. Oh sheesh, they're not finished yet. We will, he will finish it. Damn. Okay. This was sponsored by the developers and the uh, and the helpers that support the Squid Game royally Squid Game roleplay or Squid Game roleplay season 2. Okay. Oh no. I'm I'm almost died for that. Ugh, I might die. Bye bye. Ouch. That hurts. So this is the end of the video, guys. So please subscribe to my channel and leave a comments what do you think with this game. I will leave a heart from you to our new subscribers from here. Guys, see ya. Bye bye.